make a cute origami basket with me using Velcro brand sew-on fasteners. It's cute, easy, and quick. It's inexpensive, I can cut it to any length I want, and it's very strong.
Place all 3 layers together and sew a 1/4-inch seam allowance around the edges. Cut 2 3-inch pieces of the hook side of the Velcro brand sew-on fasteners.
Cut 4 1.5-inch pieces of the loop side of the fastener.
Place the Velcro brand sew-on fasteners as shown in the video. Let's sew on these fasteners and make our trinket basket. These make great gifts for everyone, and all you need is a little Velcro brand sew-on fastener tape. It's just that easy, fold, press, and store.